If you want to find hidden mentions on an Instagram story, here is what you can do. First, open the Instagram story you want to check. Sometimes creators hide mentions by placing usernames behind stickers, emojis, or near the bottom edge of the screen, making them difficult to see. Look carefully around the bottom area of the story for small text lines, symbols, or partially hidden usernames. Next, tap around those hidden areas on the story. If someone has been tagged there, Instagram may automatically open that person's profile when you tap the mention. Even if the username is invisible, the mention can still remain clickable. Keep in mind that Instagram does not currently provide a full list of hidden mentions inside stories. So if the creator completely hides the tag, tapping around the story is usually the only way to find it. Once you successfully tap the hidden mention, you'll be taken directly to that Instagram profile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.